Shanxi Zhui Tewei Medical Instrument Company Limited was established in 2017 and is a high-tech and innovative medical device enterprise, integrating R&D, production, and sales. The Zhui Tewei Medical Devices Incubator invested in January 2019 and was recognized as a municipal-level technology enterprise incubator in Xianyang City. The project is planned to be constructed with an area of 21,511 square meter, including hardware facilities such as a 10,000-level microbial laboratory, air purification system, and professional production lines, which can fully meet the production conditions and facility requirements of incubated medical devices enterprises. The incubated enterprises in the incubator are all medical device R&D, production and sales enterprises, and the business scope covers various stages, such as medical device R&D, small-scale trials, and pilot-scale trials. Many medical device production lines, such as wound dressings, hydrocolloids, hydrogels, fever patches, cold compresses, and liquid dressings have been built. A total of hundreds of records of the first and second type of medical devices, records of daily chemical and disinfection products, records of cosmetics, and intellectual property rights have been obtained. Zhui Tewei Incubator currently has entrepreneurial mentors and full-time staff. The company strictly follows relevant regulations and quality standards to ensure the stability and reliability of product quality. Zhui Tewei focuses on innovation and continuously invests resources in technological research and development to meet the increasing market demand. The company strictly follows relevant regulations and quality standards to ensure the stability and reliability of product quality.